All right, so what we're doing today is almost just like what we have done the last couple days. The big difference is that now all they're going to do is they're going to make you combine some like terms or do some distributing before you solve the equation. Okay? So let's review distributive property and combining like terms. Okay? So on this one, what can I combine with my 2m? Yeah, so we've got a positive 2m, we have a negative 3m, so make sure you look at what's in front of your stuff. And what do we get? Yeah, we're going to get negative 1m plus, when I combine my n's, I get 10n, very good. Okay. So look at our next one, we've got to do some distributing, right? Do we remember how to distribute? Remember how I said this is going to haunt us all year long? So we're taking 3 times x and getting 3x plus 21, careful, and then minus 4x plus 7 minus 9x. So how many groups of x's do I have up here? Yeah. So I've got to take 3x minus 4x, and you get what? Negative 1x. And then I've got to take that negative 1x, and I've got to go minus 9x. So we have negative 10x plus 28. Very good. Okay. On this one, how many times am I going to have to distribute? What? Yeah, I got to distribute twice. So 4 times 3x, excuse me, 12x plus 8 minus 5y. Now this is where you got to be careful because you got a minus on the outside. The minus on the inside turns into a plus 15, and then plus 10y. Can I combine anything with my 12x? Nope. We've got 12x plus, yeah, we can combine those guys. Plus 23 and plus 5y, very good. We've got negative 5y plus 10y. No problem, right? All right. So, if we look at 5 equals 5m minus 23 plus 2m. Draw your line down your equal sign. If you have like terms on the same side of the equal sign, you can just combine those. Okay, you don't have to do the opposite or anything like that, you're just going to combine them. So we have 5 equals, what do I have for m's? Well, yep, we got 5m plus 2m, so we end up with, there you go, 7m minus 23. Now does it look familiar? Yeah, now it's the exact same thing that we've done for the last 2 days. So my first step to solving for m is going to be add 23. So I have 28 equals 7m. Then what? Yeah, then we divide by 7. M equals 4. Good job. Okay. So on this guy, all right, so we're going to draw our line. Combine our like terms on the left side. We get 3y, there you go, plus 5 equals 14. John, what's my first step? Good. And -5 and -5. 3y equals 9. Good. So what do I do next? Divide by 3. Y equals 3. Good. Okay. Over here, combining like terms. 9 equals, what do I get? Good, 6 minus 5m plus 2m minus 7m gives us our negative 5m. Good, subtract 6, because that's a positive 6. So we gotta subtract it. We get 3 equals negative 5m. Now what do I do? Alright. Divide by negative 5. Okay, and we're going to leave this as a fraction. So m equals negative 3/5. So far, so good? You sure? Alright, so now we have to distribute. So when I distribute this, what do I get? Negative 16. A little careful, negative 16. X. Don't forget your X. Negative and a negative gives you a plus 8 equals 36. Alyssa, what do I do now?
We would like subtract it on one side, like subtract it.
Yep. Good. Minus 8 on both sides. So negative 16x equals 28. Ooh. Well, what happened to my pen on that one? Now what? Divide by negative 16. So x equals, now here's bigger. If you have a graphing calculator, go 28 divided by negative 16. This is just on a graphing one. And then hit math, enter, enter. What did it give you? Negative 7/8 fourths. If you have a little calculator, okay, go 28 fraction key, negative 16, and hit enter. What did it give you? Hit 28, your fraction key, negative 16. Really? Let me see. Crazy. All right. So you know it's going to be negative, right? Because it's positive divided by negative. So just go 28 fraction key 16. And it's going to give you what? What, negative 1 and 3/4. Are these the same? Yes. No. No. Okay? If they don't give it to you as a decimal, I want it as a fraction. Okay? If they give you a problem with decimals in it, then you can use decimals. Alright? So you got for your first step? 20 equals 2x plus x. Alright, so we're on the right track. Do the next step if you haven't done it yet. Fourteen equals 2x. We're good? You should get x equals 7. If you didn't get that answer, let me know so I can come around and help you. Everyone else should be working on number 2. Everyone get x equals 1 for number 2? Nice. Alright, we're done number 3. Number 3 makes me a little bit more nervous. Well, a couple extra steps in there. Alright, take your first step. Negative 1x minus 3 plus 6x minus 8 equals 4. You get the first step. Jackpot. Five x minus 11 equals 4. We just might be getting it. Five x equals 15. Therefore, x equals 3. Everybody get that? Rock star. Awesome. So, you guys are doing pages 41 and 42.